brother-in-law has asked me to make him some peanut butter fudge. I have not made this in 2 years, guys, because I've been on my health and wellness, fitness, trying to eat healthy, do well. And I told him I would, so I'm going to. I have made this for my channel before. You're going to need 1/3 stick of butter. It doesn't require very many ingredients at all. And we're going to need 5 ounces of evaporated milk. Make sure you shake it up really well. I did declutter my cabinets and everything, and I did get rid of my candy making cooker that I've had for 40 years, so I hope that's not a mistake. I'm sorry, but I only used it for my candy, and my uncle and aunt have passed away, but they got it for Chad and I for our wedding gift, and 3 cups of sugar. And I just knew I didn't use it enough to warrant keeping it, and it felt good to declutter. I hope that it turns out in this cooker, because that's the only thing I used it for, was for my candy. I hope I don't regret that. We're going to bring this to a boil. Once it starts boiling, you're going to time it for 5 minutes. You're going to remove it from the heat and add 3 tablespoons of peanut butter. I like the creamy. 1 whole container of marshmallow cream, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And that's all you do. But I'm going to go ahead and get my pan ready, and I just use butter, and I put mine in a pie plate. I had a smaller glass dish, but I don't know what happened to it. I'm just using my pie plate here to put it in, and I think it'll be fine. I do like to go ahead and get my peanut butter open and my marshmallow cream open, so that when it's ready to put in there, it's ready to go. And we don't have to worry about that. You know what I mean? So I'm going to go ahead and open my marshmallow cream and have it ready. And my peanut butter. And my vanilla. I'll probably do a time lapse here so you all don't have to wait that whole time. I like to fix mine on about medium to medium high heat. Still not boiling yet. Check my burner here. I've got you sitting up on a roll of paper towels, my tripod. So hopefully you can see them there good. I have got several more recipes I'm wanting to share with you all. I'm going to try to do some brown butter chocolate chip cookies. They look amazing, and I'm really wanting to try those. And I'm really wanting to do some Oreo balls, and I think those would be really good. My grandbabies love Oreos, so I know they would love them. So I'm probably going to do those too. Okay. It is starting to boil. Alexa, set a 5-minute timer. It's getting thicker. Don't seem like the cooker's hurting it any, so hopefully it turns out great. I pray it does. Nothing hurts my feelings more. Well, I'm kidding about that for sure. But I hate when candy don't turn out and then you end up having to throw all the sugar and butter and all that away. You're thinking, oh, I hate it. More. Alexa, how much time on my timer? 30 seconds. I'll go ahead and turn this burner off. Smells good. Alexa, stop. Okay, I'm going to move you over here so you can watch me put the ingredients in. 5 minutes has stopped. I'm going to go ahead and put this whole container of marshmallow cream in. like that in there. We're going to do just a little teaspoon or so of vanilla. And then I'm going to put 3 tablespoons of peanut butter in it. That's one big one, so maybe just one more. Let's see how that is. All right, let's stir it up good, because it sets up pretty quick when it starts usually. You can see down in there good. Yeah, it's gonna set up because it's hard to stir. It's hard to get that marshmallow cream stirred up with my old arthritic arms. All right, yeah. Feels like it's done it. Feels good. Okay, let's get it over here and get it in the pan. Oh gosh. Hopefully we can get it in there quick. I hope you can see that. It's hard to pour out there when it's thick. It actually looks like it done perfect. Hopefully it won't be too crumbly. Okay, everyone, this is how it looked after I cut it and put it in the container. I done 2 layers, probably got about 50 pieces. And then I had a little plate of crumbs here. I'm gonna give those to Chad. But that's what we ended up with. It's amazing. Give it a try. It turned out perfect. I'm so excited. See how everyone likes it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the like button. See you in the next video.